morning, everyone. Again, my name is Ayana Martin, and with me in the audience are my colleagues Aaron Lazarus and Omid Rahimi, and we founded EncepHeal Therapeutics to change the lives of those affected by substance use and mental health disorders. We came together under the Neuro Startup Challenge, which is a competition designed to form a company around a specific NIH invention. We surrounded ourselves with entrepreneurial and scientific advisors to complete the challenge, and together we took this chance opportunity to address the great unmet need of substance abuse. Addiction affects 24 million Americans and costs society $700 billion. Currently, there are few FDA treatment options available for drug addiction, and of these, none of them address psychostimulants such as methamphetamine and cocaine. So this is likely due to a drug development gap. New and innovative treatment options have been greatly hindered by this gap in the development process for a couple reasons. First, pharmaceutical companies have long been wary of this space. Second, they have moved away from the traditional drug development process to minimize their risks and maximize their portfolios by focusing on the later stages of the process. They've shifted their focus to the later stages because the process is a long and arduous one, requiring 8 to 15 years and $2.6 billion to bring a drug to market. So enter EncepHeal Therapeutics to propel innovative biomedical discoveries into next-generation neurotherapeutics. We have access to new promising compounds that are in the preclinical stage, and we will accelerate their early development to show proof of concept and out-license them to a strategic pharmaceutical partner. We will do this by collaborating with a variety of organizations in this unique space. So due to the development gap, the experts in this field are not found in pharmaceutical companies, but rather at academic and government organizations. So this gives us the advantage of partnering with organizations such as the National Institute for Drug Abuse and the Wake Forest Center for the Neurobiology of Addiction Treatment. We will also reach out to treatment centers, foundations, and other pivotal organizations to create an early accelerated development pipeline. Now, I mentioned we have access to these promising compounds. The NIH has granted us an exclusive license to investigate a library of compounds that have shown the potential to become the first FDA-approved treatment option for psychostimulant addiction. Our first product will give us the opportunity to enter a $35 billion substance abuse market. Currently, treatment options for psychostimulant addiction are limited to off-label products. And while there are a few therapeutics ahead in the pipeline, they only address the symptoms of cocaine withdrawal, while we aim to address the direct cause of the disease. Our compounds are based off of one of these FDA-approved treatments called modafinil, which is FDA-approved for narcolepsy. Modafinil has had mixed reviews in its effectiveness in treating cocaine addiction, possibly due to its lack of selectivity and its low binding affinity at the target protein. Under an exclusive patent, our compounds have been modified chemically to be more selective and have higher binding affinity, while at the same time maintaining modafinil's unique binding characteristics that have shown little abuse liability. So we will test these analogs in 3 stages. Stage 1, we will screen them for efficacy, safety, and abuse liability, and select a lead compound to take through stage 2, where we will complete IND-enabling studies. And in stage 3, we will begin our clinical trials with a dosing study in stage 3A and a proof of concept study in stage 3B, at which point we will be able to out-license to our strategic pharmaceutical partner. We expect our process to be reduced to 5 to 7 years and costs to be cut to $15 to $20 million to develop these drugs. Currently, we are in our seed round, which will help us fund stage 1 of our research. And with that, I would like to end here and say that this groundbreaking solution will save millions of lives suffering from the grips of psychostimulant addiction. Thank you.